As an instructor, you can share posts with parents of the learners who are part of the classroom without requiring the parents to be added of those classrooms. Tap to open the settings menu of the required post and select Make Visible to Parents. You can also make a post visible to parents while creating the post. Parents can access all the posts made visible to them from the Newsfeed tab. Parent posts are easily identifiable by the parent label. If required, instructors can also hide a post from parents from the post settings.